Sagada, panay, ganun lang. Sagada,
Pag
ganun.
nagsalubong talagang ano eh. Doon, at least,
Salubong, miski magsalubong kang ganon.
oo, pwede pang makaiwan.
Wild animals, may binatang.
Pero yung kuha ni Pat nung matanda, ano? Okay naman. Okay yung timpla. Ganda na.
Philippine mayonnaise is quite unique in the sense that, first, compared to the European, we know already the Egyptian technique of mummification that everything is removed, the internal organ, the brain is being removed during the process. Now, before it is treated with some chemicals. So all the internal organ is removed. But our mummy is different because everything is intact. Not even a single tooth or a single hair is removed. So it.
But now you will find out that there are only no more when
The 20 mummies you were saying.
and we do not know who had them.
Roda, argil.
May bumibiling ganun na para antiques. At pati yung itong mga mami, ninanakaw pa yung mga fingernails, ngipin, at saka yung balat.
May tattoo yan. Wala. Yun lang yung part.
Wala basta ano na yung mga geometric din mga designs. Mga geometric designs.